All right. So, are you paying for Zapier or have you ever paid for Zapier? And I'm actually paying for Zapier and I'm going to be actually discontinuing it because this app right here. The cost of Zapier just continues to go up. It starts at like $29 a month, then it goes to $49. Then eventually the product owner behind WSync was actually paying like $147 a month for Zapier. They run a multi-million-dollar business. And of course, the costs of all these things go up. Let's build our own Zapier alternative where we can pay what customers pay one time and get all these functions. So I'm going to go in here. We're going to actually build some stuff together. And this is actually from two really, really high quality vendors from JVZoo/Warrior Plus. This is Neil Napier. He's had some of the biggest product launches on JVZoo. All of his products are evergreen, and products that he created multiple years ago are still live, working, and running. So you can go ahead and take a look at all this. I mean, this connects to like everything. It connects to 150 plus apps within 5 minutes and zero monthly fees. I don't really need to say anything else. This is a true LTD lifetime deal you're going to want to go get your hands on. Let me come down here. So I'm going to scroll to all the way to the bottom. And you'll just see right here. So this is from Kevin Fahy and Neil Napier. And this is 6 months in the making. They've actually been creating this for over 6 months. This connects to Warrior Plus, ClickBank. If you're a Warrior Plus vendor selling, or if you're an affiliate, you could use this as well. This just connects to everything. I'm going to show you all that. But the biggest thing you need to know about is the pricing. There's $47. This is the list builder. This is just the core option right here. And the launch price goes up by 50%. This is going to end up being $100. So this is the time to get in for the 50% off during the launch, okay? So you get 35 autoresponders. So this one is gonna be the list builder. You're going to get access to all of the funnel builders, the email providers, your get responses, ActiveCampaign, ConvertKit. They've got SendFox in there from AppSumo. That only costs $29 for a lifetime deal. That's really awesome. I'm gonna be showing you how to connect it to SendFox and how you can even use this for that. But Aweber, all those. So this is for if you just need something to, do some basic connections between. So here's a good example. For GetResponse, for example, I was on GetResponse and I actually since then moved over to System.io because I'm able to pay like one time for the entire year for System.io for my email provider. But when I was on GetResponse, started off at $50 a month, and that's for only like 2,000 contacts. The contacts went up, so then it was an extra like $50. And then I wanted to build in any kind of workflow or automation that says, hey, when this person does this, I want to move them to this list. That is a automation, right? Automations costed another $99 per month. So I was paying like $100 or $150 per month for like 2,000 contacts. It was just ridiculous, right? And so the pricing of those platforms really goes up. And so when you can do some creative things like go to SendFox but then use like I've been using Zapier, right? Even to like when I make sales on my school community and it pushes over to the system, which is great, right? But I have to pay another $30 a month for Zapier, and this will take care of all that. So when you can get creative and find an email provider that is not that expensive, and then use a tool like WSync as a lifetime deal from two vendors that is going to continue to be updated and everything like that, then I think that's a really good workflow, okay? So it's worth checking out. You can see this is what it all looks like right over there. So I'm going to go in here. We're going to actually set it all up. But before I do that, I did create two brand new unique bonuses for you. WP Sync bonus right over here, a $200 value for I put 4 bonuses in here. Okay. So these are brand new, a 30-minute WP Sync quick start workshop. So what I'm going to be doing is creating a over-the-shoulder training for you. I'm actually going to be doing this after I make my video right now, but I will be creating these bonuses. You will get these instantly delivered in the back end. This is a JVZoo product, so you'll actually see those in your JVZoo account after purchasing. But this is going to be a quick start guide where I'm going to go into depth. So I'm going to show you surface level stuff in this review. We're going to put together, a simple WP Sync, show you how the app works and everything. But if I'm going to put together a complete guide on how to install the plugins, if you buy the pack, right, which I do recommend on this one, the $147 one, it's going to give you access to the 150 apps. So you either get 35 connections here, or you get 150 over here. We're talking about school. We're talking about like everything, Slack, Calendly, just so many. I mean, they're all listed right over here. Lemon Squeezy, Gumroad. It just continues to keep going, and it'll keep growing. Circle.io, all those webinars and all that, right? So this is the one you're going to want to get. This is a tool you're probably going to be using, like a flagship product in your business if you pick it up. And so I'm going to be showing you how to set this up because there's actually 3 plugins that you actually install, and then you have your license keys. And some of you, this is going to be super easy for, but some of you will need a little bit of a tech tutorial to get you up and running. And then we'll set up some different ones together and everything. So this is great. I thought I'd add more value, a full in-depth kind of workshop on how to use the tool and get it all set up so you're not lost. And then I have the WP Sync Affiliate Profit Machine, build your first buyer follow-up system. So this is going to be another over-the-shoulder tutorial training only for people that buy with my link below, the first link below. And I'm going to be showing you exact training on how to set up a funnel with WP Sync and have automatic emails going out for your leads. Okay, so how you can put WP Sync to work for you and what apps would work best for that as well. I'm also throwing in some other bonuses right here, like how to nourish cold leads, build trust, and make more sales. This is really, really good, and it goes really well with this product. And then finally, for those of you that want to try your hand at creating products, right? I've got how to come up with products ideas on JVZoo right here as well, right? So you get all 4 of these bonuses, the 2 brand new custom bonus trainings right there, if you pick this up with my link. Now let's get started, okay? So I'm gonna come through right over here, and you're gonna see that you're going to go and install all these. You're going to go to add plugin, and you're going to add those plugins depending on, you'll have 1 core plugin to install if you buy the product. If you buy the bundle product, which comes with 3 plugins, you're going to install all 3 of those, and you'll have 1 license key for all 3 of those. Once you get all that set up, you're going to come up over here, and you're going to actually see that there's WP Sync. You're going to hover over that, and then you have all these things right over here. Now, I'm not going to be able to go through everything in here because it's just, there's so much to look at, right? We'll go over here to the dashboard of WP Sync real quick. And this is what it's going to look like, right? So I have 3 active bridges, 5 connected, tools. We have 8 syncs and no fails right there. So you can see right over here what's working. You have this really nice, just like dashboard of what's going on in your business. Really, really cool stuff. Kevin Vahi, Neil Napier makes really good software. And then you have one of the best affiliate marketers and vendors on Warrior Plus that has been doing this for like 15 years, and he's made millions of dollars doing this. And you have both of them partnering together. You're going to see the difference between this product and a lot of other products. That's why I'm reviewing this. That's why I'm not really like trying to overhype this product. I'm just trying to tell you that this is pretty dang good. And so I like when 2 really good people come together and then they make a really good one. So you can see these right over here. These are the active bridges. And so when and instead of calling it a zap, like in Zapier, we call them bridges in WP Sync, right? So we've got all these right over here, connected integrations. I've got system.io, I've got WP Conversion Tracker, Forms Connect, SendFox, School. I'll just tell you right now, system worked and I connected it and it said it was successful for me. But what I did was I reached out to Kevin. I'm good friends with him on Facebook, and I just told him, hey, here's a couple of the things I've tried that weren't working. And he's like, I'm on it. Like they're literally fixing it. He can fix the tool. I can talk directly to the vendor. If anything's not working properly or something like that, I can reach out and have confidence. Kevin and team are going to fix the software and get it up and running, right? So I've already connected all these. I've already messed around with this. We've got all this stuff right over here that's coming in, success, partial, like all that, right? So really good stuff right over here. So then you have your connections. This is what I really want to talk about right over here, okay? Because you have your connections right here, and I want to show you. So the autoresponder integrations, you can see right over here, search for 151 connections right over here, right? So I have the bundle, just FYI. I have all 3, so I have the 151 connections, right? You will only see the autoresponder connections right here. Look at all of these right here. If you get the core version, you're only going to see all of this right here. Aweber, Beehive, BirdSend. I mean, look at this. They've got everything. Drip, Clavio, MailChimp, everything that you can think of. Miller Lite's in there. I think is Miller Lite. No, that one, something like that is, I think MailVio. This one, MailVio is Neil Napier's email provider. He created this years ago, still running, and it works with this app as well. OmniSend, VBout, SendX, MooSend, like HubSpot, like everything, Go High Level, GetResponse, they're all in here, right? So that's all of the ones. And then if there's not something in here, you just reach out to the support team and they'll get it added at some point. And what I really like, so here's all the ones that if I wanted to come up here and say, where's School? Do they have School in here? Boom, I would go School and it will automatically filter that out for us, which is really, really cool. And then we're going to go over here to, so if I go to add-ons, this will tell me and show you like the unlock every integration, right? So I have currently 152 out of 152 integrations, right? So you'll get 114 more integrations if you pick up the plug. Like, I mean, you're going to get like 3 times as much the bundle pack for 147, right? So you get the pro pack right here. And this just really comes to what the funnel actually looks like. But I don't think that you can get just the pro pack. I think it's the bundle pack and you get both of these. But look at all these. Google Sheets Connect. This is a huge one. I mean, look, they've got ClickUp, they've got Circle, they've got Monday, they've got Notion, all those Trello. So this is kind of like your productivity type pack, right? Project management type pack. I can definitely see like Google Sheets is going to be one of the biggest ones that you're going to use probably all the time. But then look at over here on the Connect pack, 101 of these right over here. And this is where you get all these like Groove and Gumroad and Paddle and Product Dino and PayPal, Pay Kickstart, Shopify, schools in there, Teachable, Thinkific, Digistore 24, everything's in here. ClickBank, digital downloads. I mean, everything, WooCommerce, Wishlist member, Warrior Plus, everything that you could think of is in here. Thrivecart right there. Telegram app is in there. So yeah, it's got everything that you can think of right here. So that's how you get all the access to that. Now let's go build something, guys, okay? So now what you're gonna do is you're just gonna go, I'm gonna go to my bridges and I'm gonna build this one out. We're gonna use SendFox over here, right? So I've already tested this, it works. Even if this said invalid, it worked because it came over here into our audience section over here, right? So you're gonna go over here, you're going to create a new list. And I just started using SendFox today, actually. So I'm not too good at it. But I've created 2 lists in SendFox, right? And you'll learn how to use that. And then you can set up automations in there as well. But let's go and build this Form 7 to SendFox. It automatically connects. If you have Form 7 on here, it's going to automatically connect to when you install WP Sync. So some of your native plugins that you're probably using also might automatically connect as well. That one I didn't have to do anything special. It just automatically connected because it's like a native kind of WordPress plugin, which is super cool. So you can see right over here, I'm going to go ahead and delete this one. And then we're going to say Form 7 to SendFox. I'm going to go ahead and create this one again. So I'm going to say, okay. So I deleted that one, right? So, and then I had contact form to system and working on that one as well. But we're going to go to create bridge. And this is how easy this is going to work, right? So you're going to come through here. We're going to name this contact form, like what I'm doing, and then where am I sending people? So contact form 7 to SendFox, right? And then the source would be the first one, right? So it's actually called Forms Connect now, with the source app, and then the source list would be right here. So this would be like what form, and this would be the contact form 1. And then I'm just going to say continue. And then I'm going to go over here to choose the destination. Where do we want to send this stuff, right? And then I'm going to go, I want to send this to SendFox. And then we can add it to a list. We can select the list right here. It's just going to be landing page setups. I needed to resync actually. So I'm going to go back over here. I'm going to go back over to connections and I'm going to go over to Fox and I'm going to go connected and I'm going to say refresh list. And if I refresh list, this should go to 2 lists because I added one. So now we have 2 lists. Let's go test that out real quick. So now we have 2 lists, right? So now we're ready to go. You can test the connection. I'll show you what that looks like. And it says connected to SendFox. It works, okay? So let's go to bridges or create bridge and we'll go and just zip through this. Boom. We'll go to the source is going to be Forms Connect. It's going to be contact form 1. It's going to be continue. And then it's going to be from SendFox. And it's going to go over here to the realistic pay form 7 right there. And then we're going to say continue. And then there's some other filtering and options right here. And you can actually do a redirect after they submit to a different page if you want. I'm just going to say create bridge right there. So now we have this bridge page connected right here, form 7, right? So what you can do is I'm going to go over here to that page that I created that uses that form on my website, right? This is just a really simple way of using it. Obviously, you're going to make a landing page and everything with a plugin, or you can build it in Claude, or all kinds of things that you can do. But we're going to just do this for testing purposes, right? So this is going to be just like Nathan. It's going to be boom, boom, some numbers at gmail.com. And then I'm just going to say testing WP Sync and then blah, blah, blah. Right? So we're going to go like that. We're going to say submit. And then it says, thank you for your message. And it has been sent. So this will show up over here. And then we can go over into the dashboard again. And we can come through over here and look at what just happened. So we have Nathan right here. We had a bridge over here. So this happened. Boom. And I don't know why that says partial right there, but we will come back in here to SendFox and we'll push refresh. And you can see that Nathan did show up right over here. So, and I don't know why I'd have to fix that, like why it says unsubscribed or invalid or whatever like that. I don't really know why it says that or whatever, but it did come in from the API. We did get their email right there. So it actually brings over to SendFox. And then you can email them from SendFox, right? You can go over to emails and you can start emailing. You can create an email and you can send this to, add a list. We would go over here and send that over to Realistic Pay right there. And then you would basically have your contacts going into whatever email provider that you are looking for. So that's how you use it. That's all the apps that are in there. Really, really simple to start using this. And let's see, I haven't even clicked on the conversion tracker. I don't know what the conversion tracker is. Let's click on that. Okay, conversion tracker, WP conversion tracker. That's the other product that he came out with last time. You can get that and it'll actually track all your conversions and everything like that across all kinds of sites and everything as well. So that's it right there. This is WP by Neil Napier, Kevin Fahey. $47 for the front end product. They call it the list builder. And if you want everything in a full blown Zapier replacement, then the $147 LTD, never pay once again. They take care of all the costs and everything. I think this is a really, this can be a very beneficial, very useful type of tool to add to your tool arsenal in your business. And remember, I've got these bonuses right over here. These are quality bonuses that you won't find anywhere else. These aren't repeats or anything like that. I literally take the time, like right after this, I'm actually going to be going and spending hours creating the bonuses for this to really help those that are actually serious about their business and want to learn more about WP Sync. So you're going to get all 4 of these bonuses right here. First link below. Thanks so much for your time, and I'll see you next time.